The 50/30/20 budget rule is a simple yet effective personal finance strategy designed to help individuals gain control of their finances. By allocating after-tax income into three main categories: needs, wants, and savings or debt repayment, this budgeting method offers a clear framework for managing money wisely. This approach promotes balanced spending habits, allowing for both essential expenses and discretionary purchases while prioritizing financial security for the future. The rule's simplicity makes it an ideal starting point for budgeting beginners. It fosters financial awareness by categorizing expenses and encouraging mindful spending. By adhering to this rule, individuals can cultivate healthier financial habits and build a strong foundation for long-term success. This method also offers flexibility, adapting to various income levels and individual financial goals. The 50/30/20 rule is a pathway to financial freedom and peace of mind. Before diving into the allocation percentages, it's crucial to determine your after-tax income, which is the amount of money you receive after all deductions. This is the actual amount you have available to spend, save, and invest. Calculating your after-tax income accurately is the foundation of effective budgeting using the 50/30/20 rule. You can refer to your pay stubs, which typically list your gross pay and all deductions, providing a clear breakdown of your net pay. Alternatively, you can use online paycheck calculators that factor in your tax obligations based on your income and location. Once you have your after-tax income figure, you can begin applying the 50/30/20 rule. This involves multiplying your after-tax income by each percentage to determine the dollar amount allocated to each category. Understanding your after-tax income is the first and most crucial step in successfully implementing the 50/30/20 budget rule. By accurately calculating your after-tax income, you set the stage for effective financial planning and achieving your financial goals. The 50% allocated to needs encompasses essential expenses necessary for daily living and maintaining your basic well-being. This category includes housing costs like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation costs, and health insurance premiums. Prioritizing and distinguishing between essential and non-essential needs can be helpful. For example, opting for generic brands over name brands can help reduce costs. Careful management of the needs category is crucial for staying within the 50% allocation. Tracking your spending and identifying areas where you can cut back without sacrificing essential needs can help you maintain control of this category. By prioritizing essential needs and making conscious spending choices, you can ensure that you are meeting your basic requirements without exceeding the allocated 50%. Effective management of needs is essential for achieving financial stability. The 30% allocated to wants covers expenses that enhance your lifestyle but are not essential for survival. This category includes dining out, entertainment, hobbies, shopping for non-essential items, and travel. While the wants category allows for flexibility and enjoyment, it's important to exercise mindful spending within this allocation. Prioritizing your wants and distinguishing between genuine desires and impulsive purchases can help you stay within the 30% limit. Creating a detailed list of your wants and their associated costs can be helpful in managing this category effectively. By understanding your spending patterns, you can make informed decisions about your wants and ensure that they align with your budget. The wants category is designed to provide a balance between enjoying your money and adhering to your budget. This mindful approach to wants ensures a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. The 20% allocated to savings and debt repayment is crucial for building a secure financial future. This category includes contributions to emergency funds, retirement savings, investments, and paying down existing debts. Prioritizing this category is essential for long-term financial health. Within the 20% allocation, prioritize high-interest debt repayment to minimize interest charges and accelerate debt reduction. Simultaneously, building an emergency fund provides a safety net for unexpected expenses. Contributing to retirement accounts ensures financial security in your later years. Establishing clear savings goals and creating a debt repayment plan can help you effectively manage this category. The 20% allocation for savings and debt repayment is an investment in your future financial well-being. This commitment to saving and debt repayment is a cornerstone of sound financial planning. Regularly tracking your expenses is crucial for staying on track with your 50-30-20 budget. Utilize budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook to monitor your spending in each category. Set realistic financial goals to stay motivated and focused on your budget. Whether it's saving for a down payment, paying off loans, or building an emergency fund, having clear goals provides direction. Automate your savings and debt repayment contributions to ensure consistent progress. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and debt repayment accounts each month. Review your budget periodically, ideally monthly, to assess its effectiveness and make necessary adjustments. Regular reviews allow you to stay aligned with your financial priorities and ensure that your budget remains a relevant tool for achieving your financial objectives. One common challenge is overspending in the wants category. To address this, prioritize your wants and set spending limits for each. Consider delaying gratification for non-essential purchases and explore alternative, more affordable options. Unexpected expenses can disrupt your budget. To prepare for these, build a robust emergency fund to cover unforeseen costs without derailing your financial plan. If you find yourself consistently struggling to stick to the 50-30-20 allocations, reassess your spending patterns and identify areas where you can cut back. Seek support from financial advisors or online resources if you are facing persistent budget challenges. Professional guidance can provide valuable insights and personalized strategies for overcoming obstacles and achieving your financial goals. The 50-30-20 budget rule is more than just a budgeting method, it's a pathway to financial freedom. By adhering to this rule, you gain control over your finances, reduce financial stress, and build a secure financial future. The benefits of the 50-30-20 budget rule extend beyond financial stability. It fosters a sense of financial awareness, encourages responsible spending habits, and promotes a healthy relationship with money. Starting your journey with the 50-30-20 budget rule is a simple and effective way to take charge of your finances. Embrace the opportunity to gain control of your financial future and experience the benefits of financial freedom. Begin implementing the 50-30-20 budget rule today and embark on your path to financial success. Take the first step towards a brighter financial future.